Now, almost after 3 years, Baby Audio thinks it's time to release a follow-up to their Smooth Operator Harmonic Balancer plugin. And with this new release, you finally can become a real mixer, because this one is Pro. That Pro in Smooth Operator Pro shows itself in how much more control you get. The whole engine of the plugin has been overhauled to sound better as well. Resonance suppression is one way to use this plugin. It can clean up audio and unmask, and it also can make audio prettier, which tends to be more Gullfoss-like. On top of that, this plugin can work as a very capable multi-ist multi-band compressor. Now, that sounds like a lot of praise, and I do really like the first version of this plugin. My opinion on that has not changed. But Smooth Operator Pro is of course just another tool to help you get better mixes. Just leave it in the comments how you will use a plugin like this. If you use Smooth Operator Pro on every channel, and quite subtly, you can bring a mix from this to this. Now, using this plugin on every channel will probably be overkill, but you can hear that all these subtle tweaks can make a mix absolutely more polished sounding. This particular mix got more depth. The biggest change with Pro you will notice right away is that Smooth Operator has become more complex. There's a lot more going on. It still features the basic controls of version 1. You set the global threshold control and tweak how much a part of the frequency spectrum gets worked on by adjusting the nodes. Pulling down means more processing, moving up is less. When you set this threshold, keep an eye on top of the display because, as you can see, processing starts way before the threshold hits the visual frequency display graph. You can hear that on this next very bass-heavy track as well. When we stick with this track, one way to let the plugin process less or even ignore the low end is to change the preserve low end setting. This is not a hard cut, but it reduces the processing for the low end a lot. You can do the same for the high end. Another method is to use the nodes. Double click to add one, move it up to decrease the processing. When you adjust the global threshold now, everything gets sort of equally processed. And even though it doesn't look that there is much happening, you clearly hear that the overall sound gets a lot softer already. This plugin, at least on this master, can be very active. Before we continue, and if you liked this breakdown so far, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's add another node to focus on the attack and higher end. Here you can find one of the new neat tricks of Smooth Operator Pro. Some of the settings like focus, compression and imaging can be set per band now and override the global setting. Very neat. Overall, this is an improvement. I wondered how many of these notes you can get since this is not mentioned in the manual I got. So I clicked away and it stopped at 12. I don't know why you would ever need 12 notes, but better have too many than too little. On the left side you find the global controls, and there are two I want to highlight. First is Sidechain. This one will make the plugin work like track spacer. The Sidechain signal will duck the audio with the frequencies of the sidechain. It's ideal to make room in a mix for vocals, and you can also use the other controls of Smooth Operator Pro to exclude, for instance, the high end and low end to be ducked. The other one is compression. In this Pro version you get full compression control. Listen to this programmed conga pattern. Like this, it's pretty obvious it's programmed. But when I enable the plugin, this artificial edge gets reduced by quite a bit. The compressor function of Smooth Operator Pro is also pretty capable as clean compressor. It can, for instance, bring out a snap in a snare. I'm not sure I would reach for this plugin to use as my main compressor that often, but at least you know it can help you in this regard. The plugin has 32 milliseconds of latency at 48 kHz. The CPU usage was very low. Now with this Smooth Operator Pro version, the older version 1 is nowhere to be found anymore. And I think that's a shame. Yes, Pro does everything version 1 did and a lot more, and the upgrade price is just $29. But I really liked the simplicity of version 1. I would not have minded at all to see the old version still around for those people who just want a simple, straightforward sound goodizer. Before you upgrade or purchase the plugin, make sure to try it out to find out if it fits in your audio toolshed.